Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about various functions of HRM. The various functions of HRM is mainly divided into two functions. They are managerial function and operative function. We have already learned about some managerial functions. What are the managerial functions? Planning, organizing, controlling, directing, etc. These are all the functions are performed by human resource management. Human resource department is one of the important main department of an organization. So they undertake the following functions. The first function is HR planning. Second one, organizing HR department. Third one, directing and controlling. Next one, decision making. And the last one is HR controlling. First one, HR planning. Through HR planning, HR department plans regarding the future workforce. What are the required number of workers to be needed in future? From which source we can acquire, how much abilities, talents, knowledge, etc. are required for our organization. These are the things to be planned under HR planning. Then the next function is organizing HR department. A well-defined human resource department is necessary to carry out the HR functions effectively. HR department has a number of functions like assigning duties, responsibilities, etc. So these are to be carried out only through a HR department. Then the next function is directing and controlling. Directing and controlling is one of the important functions of HRM. For the purpose of achieving organizational goals, the HR manager should adopt all elements of direction. What are the four elements of direction? Do you know what are the four elements of direction? They are leadership, motivation, supervision, communication. These are the elements of direction. These are used for the purpose of achieving objectives. These are used for guiding the subordinate. These four elements are used in directing the human resources in order to achieve the objectives of the organization. Then the next function is decision making. You know, HRM is essentially decision making. The HR department has to take a number of decisions relating to the human resources. So decision making is one of the important functions of HRM. The various decisions are recruitment decision, selection decision, training decision, etc. Then the last one is HR controlling. Controlling is getting feedback from employees. The feedback is collected from employees through HR auditing, evaluation of training program, performance appraisal, etc. These methods are the performance appraisal, HR auditing, evaluation of training programs are necessary for knowing the employees' performance. If the employees' performance are not up to our standard, we have to take remedial action. These are the managerial functions. Then the next one, operative function. A number of operative functions are performed by human resource management. The operative functions are recruitment and selection, training and development, compensation, industrial relation, maintenance function, use of human resources, termination function. The first one is recruitment and selection. We have already studied recruitment and selection. Recruitment is the process of searching an employee plus stimulating them to apply for jobs in our organization. Recruitment contains two processes, that is searching for an employee from all sources and stimulating them to apply for jobs in our organization. Selection is the process of selecting the number of candidates required from all candidates. This is the selection. Selection is the process of selecting a best candidate from among a number of candidates. Then the second operative function is training and development. Training and development is given to the employee in order to enhance and improve the skills, knowledge, abilities and talent of the employee. Development is possible through by giving education and training. It is meant for all around development of human resources. Training and development. Then the next one, compensation. Employees are to be suitably compensated. Compensation means remuneration or consideration given to the employee according to the work done by him. Compensation is given to the employee according to the work done by him. Compensation generally is in the form of wage or salary. The wage and salary is fixed in accordance with the job, quantum of work, cost of living, legal rates applicable, etc. These are the factors to be taken while deciding wage or salary, that is compensation. The compensation is not fair. The employees may leave our organization to another organization. So compensation fixing is one of the important operative functions of human resource management. Then the next one, industrial relation. What do you mean by industrial relation? Industrial relation is the cordial or better relation between the employer and the employee. It is the better relation between the employer and the employee. We can improve our industrial relation by giving better working condition, fair wages, etc. Then the next one is maintenance function. Maintenance function involves the measures taken to maintain or retain the employees in our organization. We have to retain our employees, otherwise they may leave our organization to other organization. If we are not providing better working condition, fair wages, enough rest period, etc., they may leave from our organization to go to other organization. Then the next function is use of human resources. The most important function of HRM is to optimum utilize the human resources. Human resources must be optimum utilized. The human resources must be optimum utilized. In order to utilize the human resources, we have to implement disciplinary system. A disciplinary system must bring into our organization in order to the effective and efficient use of human resources. Then the next function is termination function. Termination functions are in the form of the retirement, death, then retrenchment, layoff. These are the termination function. The employees may terminated from our organization due to some reasons. The reasons may be death, retirement, retrenchment, layoff, etc. The death and retirement is the one of the reasons from employee. Then others are not the reasons of employees. Layoff means terminating the job of an employee for a few periods due to the lack of material, money, etc. But retrenchment means the complete termination of job of the employee from our organization due to downsizing. So these are the functions of HRM. The managerial functions of HRM, HR planning. HR planning means planning the human resources. Then the second one, organizing HR department. Organizing HR department is necessary to carry out the HR functions effectively. Then directing and controlling. The four elements of direction are used for guiding human resources in order to achieve the goals of the organization. HR department has to take a lot of decisions every day. This is one of the important managerial function. HR controlling. HR controlling means is to check whether the result of our organization is achieved or not. The operative functions are again divided into a number of ways. First one, recruitment and selection, training and development, compensation, industrial relation, maintenance function, use of human resources, termination function. Okay, thank you.